Friends, in this lesson we will learn about the Russian greetings. The people living in Russian countries, CIS countries or Russia, they are very soft spoken and they know how to greet people. In case you meet somebody on the road and he is a general acquaintance, he will definitely say you Zdravstvuyte or Privyat. Even if he is not a general acquaintance and he is passing by, he will try to wish you. So first of all, we have tried to cover only this, that how to greet people. So the first and foremost and most important greeting is Zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte means hello or good morning or I wish you, means it is substitute of all. Of course, good morning is separate, good afternoon is separate, good evening is separate, but Zdravstvuyte is a word which you can use at any time from morning till evening, and you can wish to anybody. Otherwise, Zdravstvuyte is hello, and it is formal hello. So when you go to market, whenever you just go to a shop, the shopkeeper, first of all, he'll wish you, he or she'll wish you Zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte. It means hello, or I welcome you, I respect you, like this. As we say Namaste in India, so Zdravstvuyte is like this. In case we break it phonetically like Zdravstvuyte, it is like this. But in fast spoken or general speaking, they say Zdravstvuyte, Zdravstvuyte, like this, and it means hello. Then Dobroye Utra. Dobroye Utra. Dobroye Utra means good morning. Here people don't speak da as we speak in Hindi, da. They speak the. So the tongue comes to upper palate. So it is Dobroye Utra. Dobroye Utra. Dobroye Utra means good morning. Dobri or Dobroye, this means fine. Utra is morning. So good morning, fine morning. So it is Dobroye Utra. Then Dobry Den. Dobry Den. Dobry Den is good afternoon. Or they use as good day also. Good day or good afternoon. Dobry Den. Good afternoon. Then Dobry Vicher. Dobry Vicher means good evening. Vicher is evening. So Dobry Vicher, good evening. Dobry Vicher, good evening. Next word is Privyat. Privyat is hi, as we use in English. So Privyat is used for friends or the people who are in the same age or who are very close acquaintances, means with whom we have friendly relations, with whom maybe family members, maybe our friends, maybe of our age, like this. So maybe our colleagues. So we are using Privyat for them. Privyat, 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 hi. So Zdravstvuyte is a formal hi or hello, and Privyat is informal, like this, only difference. Then normally after this we are asking, how are you? How are you? They ask, Kak dila? Kak dila? Kak dila? Kak means how? Dila. Dila, otherwise how do you do? But here it is used, how are you? Kak dila? Kak dila? So it is like this. Then its reply normally is Kharsho. Kharsho is I am fine. Kharsho. Kharasho. Kharasho, I am fine. These alphabets and how they are sounded, we will be taking in further lessons, but just you can read it phonetically to go through that. Kharasho, I am fine. Then in case we have to be a little courteous, we can say like this, Kharasho, spasiba. Kharasho, spasiba means I am fine, thank you. Spasiba is thank you. This word spasiba is used so many times a day. Kharasho word is used so many times a day, like this. Kharasho, spasiba. Then a word for goodbye. Dasvidanya. Dasvidanya. You might have seen this word has been used in some of Indian movies also. A famous Raj Kapoor's movie Mera Naam Joker. There this word has been used so many times, and thereafter there was one Indian movie with this name also. Dasvidanya is goodbye. Dasvidanya means Dasvidanya. Da is separate word, Svidanya is separate word, but when it is spoken, it is Dasvidanya. Dasvidanya. So like this, and it is goodbye. So every time when you depart from a person, that person will speak Dasvidanya. You will also say Dasvidanya. Then Paka. Paka is bye. Similar as Zra Subte is formal hello. Similarly, Dasvidanya is formal goodbye. And Paka is bye. We are using for our friends. When we depart from our friends, we are using Paka. And sometimes when we are saying bye-bye, it is Paka Paka. Paka Paka. Bye-bye. Paka Paka. So sometimes we use word this, see you next time. See you next time. So it is the stretchy. The stretchy. Of course, the spelling of stretchy starts from ver. It is stretchy. But ver is just almost silent. So this word has been taken from Vastrecha. Vastrecha is meeting. So the stretchy means by till next meeting, or see you next time. The stretchy. Then there is word the Zavtra. The Zavtra is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Zavtra is tomorrow. The see you. Then see you tomorrow. The Zavtra means today we are departing from a friend and we will be meeting them tomorrow. So it is the Zavtra. See you tomorrow. And one more, Pazalsta. Pazalsta, very sweet word. Very sweet word. Means please. And you will listen. Just at every place the people will be pronouncing these words. Maybe when you meet somebody, even then, or somebody wants to take side, or somebody is asking something, first he'll use Pazalsta. Pazalsta, please. So they are very sweet people, very soft spoken, and they have many good words in their dictionary to wish a person, to greet a person. So the first and foremost thing I have tried to cover in my lessons is Russian greetings. So once again we will go through all these. Zdravstvuyte. Zdravstvuyte means hello. Dobroye utra. Dobroye utra means good morning. Dobry den, good afternoon. Dobry večer, it is good evening. Privet. Privet, hi. Kak dela. Kak dela, how are you? Хорошо. Хорошо, I am fine. Хорошо. Spasiba. I am fine, thank you. Dasvidanya. Dasvidanya is goodbye. Dasvidanya, goodbye. And Paka. Paka, bye. Paka Paka, bye bye. Then Dasrechi. Dasrechi means see you next time, or bye till next meeting. Dazavtra. Dazavtra means see you tomorrow, or bye till tomorrow. And Pazalsta. Pazalsta is please. So friends, in this way, these words first we will read it 2-3 times.